The port of ارزيو, Algeria, the country's most important harbour for oil and gas exports. ارزيو is a man-made harbour. The port complex was built in 1976. 2 training walls, berthing facilities, and a breakwater parallel to the coast, with a length of 2 kilometers. In 1980, a severe storm badly damaged the breakwater. Enormous waves smashed the concrete. "50 meters were torn away from the superstructure. This was the situation facing the experts from Zincon. What could be done? First, it is necessary to determine the precise nature of the damage. The situation around the breakwater is examined using advanced electronics. Computers convert the information to profile scans. The underwater camera provides more detailed information. What is the extent of the damage? And what is the most economical solution? This camera is also used to trace debris which must be removed from the seabed before construction can begin. The great strength of Zincon's is research. This is done in Holland. Hydrologists and engineers build a scale model of the ارزيو breakwater in the laboratory. It is vital that the correct profile is designed with concrete elements of the right weight, in the right place. The model is tested, modified, and tested again until the best solution is found. Then the work can start. On-site Dutch brushwood and geotextile fabric are woven together to make one of the 115 mattresses which are required. These will form the solid base for the new construction. They will be sunk, like on the seabed, around the breakwater. On the seaward side, 20 meters deep. Sinking is done like this. 2 pontoons hold the floating mattress in the predetermined position. One end of the mattress is submerged with the aid of a sinking beam. A stone dumper then gradually covers it with broken stone until the mattress lies completely on the seabed. The sinking beam with the mattress. Precision work with special equipment. Every step is checked using the underwater camera, under the professional eye of technicians, the project manager and the client. Check and double check. Does the overlap between two mattresses meet the specification? Yes, the placement is accurate. Mattress number 88 will be added to the drawing and signed off as correct. The ability to closely monitor the execution of work gives the client confidence. There is a weekly project meeting. Progress is discussed with the client and all others involved. Meanwhile, work on this project continues non-stop, even though mountains have to be moved. The project needs 2.5 million cubic meters of stone. This will be brought from the quarry 10 kilometers inland. All of this demands precise coordination and working around the clock. Yet another load for the Zincon stone dumper. Using the dynamic positioning system, the captain maneuvers the vessel. A touch astern, a little to that side, and dump, exactly on the required spot. Modern CAD/CAM systems are used, and sophisticated software programs developed by Zincon. Research, technology, and experience. That's the way to achieve quality. Precise construction determines the strength of the new breakwater. This calls for a careful build-up of the different layers of stones, from fine to coarse. Specialized heavy-duty equipment is required for the marine works. Tugs, stone dumpers, floating cranes and pontoons. The new profile takes shape. Zincon continually seeks greater efficiency. In ارزيو, concrete blocks weighing 12 tons were placed in this way for the first time. This saved time, and time is money. The top layer is made up from huge concrete blocks. Each one is heavier than a fully laden truck. These enormous blocks are mass-produced on site. several hundreds per week, each one weighing 40 to 65 tons. They are loaded onto pontoons and transported to the floating cranes for placing. In this, the last phase of construction, the sea defense is provided with a protective cover layer. The coordinates are calculated, checked, and recorded. The pattern established for the concrete blocks creates the impression of a checkerboard on the crane driver's monitor. With one eye on the screen, he finds the exact spot on his turning circle. Then the block is positioned. At the same time, its location is marked. After each action, the information is fed into the computer. Reconstruction of the 2-kilometer-long breakwater is now completed. Zincon's work is over. The port of ارزيو once again meets international safety standards. ارزيو is ready for the future.